Yeah, hello again. Taking a little train journey from Barcelona up into the surrounding hills to Floresta. It's quite a little bohemian area, but it's got a mixture of very interesting buildings as well. I mean, well, there's a really modern architecture there, but there's some quite quirky, surreal ones that I'll try and show you later. But yeah, it's quite a trendy, hip area, just nestled, hidden away in the hills. So I'm just gonna have a little walk around. There's some good views as well. Don't know if you can see the mountains in the distance that way. Right, let's go have a look. And a good coffee shop that way, which I'm gonna grab a coffee. I'll show you that. I've been here once before, about a year ago. Yeah, wanted to come back and film. Can't quite remember which way I walked. I think it was more that way. There was some interesting stuff. But yeah, I think I read somewhere you get quite a lot of artists up here and stuff, sharing houses, but also bigger, posher mansions which look like that way. Well, not mansions, but just richer homes. Yeah, let's just see what's around. Yeah, this is quite a cool little coffee shop. Grab on here. Oh, it's not that busy this time. But yeah, some trendy bookshops. Free book library. Let's get one.